Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we delve into an exciting new leak about DJI's rumored Matrice 4T. This innovative drone has generated a lot of buzz, and the leaked images and specifications hint at significant surprises. Let's unpack everything we know so far, explore fresh perspectives, and dive deep into the potential game-changing features of this cutting-edge drone. A surprising twist in design. The Matrice 4T leak has taken the drone community by storm. At first glance, it seems to be heavily inspired by DJI's Mavic 3 platform. Unlike what we initially anticipated from a Matrice-series drone, this design appears to remix existing technology with professional-grade upgrades, catering specifically to industrial and critical use applications. This isn't just speculation. The leaks come from reliable sources like OLV and Igor Bogdanov, both well-known for accurate DJI news. The images suggest a drone built with functionality in mind, featuring advanced sensor arrays, RTK, real-time kinematic, support for ultra-precise positioning, and mounting points for specialized payloads. These modifications hint at a drone designed for professional applications like inspections, search and rescue missions, and first responder operations. A notable omission: where's the LiDAR? One surprising aspect of the leaked Matrice 4T design is the apparent lack of LiDAR technology for obstacle avoidance. Even DJI's more budget-friendly models, like the Air 3, incorporate obstacle avoidance tech, so leaving it out here feels like a strange choice for a drone aimed at high-stakes, professional scenarios. However, this omission could indicate that DJI has an alternative solution up its sleeve, possibly a more advanced system we're not yet aware of. Revolutionary features for professional use. Let's dig into the features that make the Matrice 4T stand out. Here's what the leaks suggest. AI-assisted flight. The Matrice 4T might include real-time detection capabilities for people, vehicles, and even ships. This AI-driven technology could redefine how drones handle search and rescue missions, inspections, and surveillance tasks. The ability to load third-party devices expands the drone's functionality, making it highly adaptable to specific professional needs. Smart flight modes. The drone is rumored to support advanced flight modes, including fly-around mode, perfect for detailed inspections. Fixed speed following, ensures stable tracking of moving objects. Autonomous navigation, simplifies complex missions, allowing operators to focus on other tasks. Night scene mode, a dedicated night mode with enhanced low-light capabilities, is also on the cards. Equipped with an infrared fill light and a searchlight, the Matrice 4T promises excellent nighttime visibility, making it ideal for emergency operations after dark. Performance, built for demanding missions. Flight dynamics. The Matrice 4T boasts impressive flight capabilities, with ascent speeds of 10 meters per second and descent speeds of 2.8 meters per second. Its 4G enhanced transmission system, coupled with the DRRTK-3 relay system, ensures rock-solid signal stability, even in challenging environments. Fusion positioning system. The drone integrates RTK, GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, vision sensors, and terrain data into a seamless positioning system. This fusion enables ultra-precise flight, crucial for industrial tasks and rescue missions. Advanced camera setup. The Matrice 4T's camera array is nothing short of groundbreaking, offering exceptional versatility for different scenarios. Thermal imaging camera. Ideal for detecting heat signatures in search and rescue missions or industrial inspections. Telephoto camera. With a 48MP sensor, 168mm focal length, and 112x hybrid zoom, this camera delivers unparalleled sharpness for long-range observations. Medium telephoto camera. Equipped with a 48MP sensor and a 70mm focal length, this is perfect for mid-range inspections. Wide-angle camera. Another 48MP sensor paired with a 24mm lens and an f/1.7 aperture ensures excellent performance in low-light conditions. The inclusion of a laser ranging module further enhances the drone's ability to measure distances with pinpoint accuracy. Accessories that elevate performance. The Matrice 4T is expected to be compatible with a range of advanced accessories, including DRTK-3 multifunction station. Offers even greater positioning accuracy, ensuring reliable performance in critical scenarios. Real-time megaphone support allows operators to issue commands from the air, making it invaluable for emergency services. Is DJI playing it safe? One of the biggest questions surrounding the Matrice 4T is whether DJI is streamlining its professional lineup by repurposing the Mavic 3 platform. While this strategy may seem practical, it also risks making the Matrice 4T feel dated, especially with the rumored Mavic 4 expected to debut soon. By blending older technology with professional upgrades, DJI might be targeting a niche audience rather than pushing the boundaries of innovation. Whether this approach will resonate with its user base remains to be seen. What this leak means for the industry. The Matrice 4T signals DJI's focus on bridging the gap between consumer and industrial drones. By remixing the Mavic 3's platform with professional enhancements, DJI appears to be aiming for versatility and affordability in the professional drone market. If these leaks are accurate, the Matrice 4T could be a significant player in industries like construction, agriculture, public safety, and environmental monitoring. Its modular design, advanced cameras, and intelligent flight features make it a highly versatile tool for tackling complex challenges. What's missing? Despite the impressive features, the Matrice 4T leaves some questions unanswered. Battery life. Will it match or exceed the endurance of previous Matrice models? Price point. Will it offer value for money, or will the professional upgrades come with a hefty price tag? Availability. When can we expect an official announcement and release? Final thoughts. The Matrice 4T has the potential to shake up the professional drone market, offering cutting-edge features and robust performance tailored for industrial use. However, its success will largely depend on how DJI positions it within its lineup, and whether it can meet the high expectations set by its predecessors. Let us know your thoughts on this intriguing leak. Do you think the Matrice 4T is a game changer, or is it simply a remix of existing tech? Share your insights in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech trends.